Hey, 10%ers, this is Michael with Trading Escapes. We're doing our paper trading. Unfortunately, we've had massive issues with the videos. I had to switch accounts because I realized on the paper trading, I have delayed data on my real account. So I switched over to another account, which I have active real-time data. Taking a couple trades here on MU, and currently in a trade right now. It's kind of going against us. Up $240 currently on the day. We're just waiting to see if this trade works out for us. So, um, we're going to spend the next week or so paper trading and see how, see if we can't get back into a rhythm and get our plan back and see how it goes. So I'm going to pause and we'll get back to this trade here in a second to see how it works out for us. So we've adjusted our stop just to lock in profit at 41. We're trying to see if this can run down to the bottom of the cloud here. You can see, so we got stopped out at 41. So up 240 for the paper day on MU. Not too bad. We've taken a couple trades on it, but the morning trades, quite honestly, weren't really planned out too well. We had one or two good trades and a couple bad trades. I haven't used this account in a long time, and nothing was set up. The charts weren't set up. I had to go through. So at the last minute, right before the bell, I realized that when I was looking at the other account, that the data, our market data, was delayed only on the paper side, because we have to pay for our market data on that account. So this is more of just a personal account, and the paper side we have real time data. So I had to switch over, but took us a while to get everything set. Looks like we're going to ultimately hit our target here. We did get stopped out at 41, but our target was 32. Let's just see if we hit it. It's 33. Getting close. 30, there we go. So we did ultimately get our target, so great trade. Would love to do that live every single day. We'll see what sets up for the rest of the day here. Hey, 10%ers, just an update. Just still sitting tight. Our paper trading day. Sorry, the video just got away from us. It's not the quality of it. We didn't get it to start in the day, and again, the charts were all messed up. The platform was all messed up. So anyway, we're taking a couple trades on MU, up $240 on it. Again, paper trading, and looking for this setup. So what we have here is we had a test of the hive yesterday. We pulled back up. We're over the 100 and coming up. Here's the 50. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for a strong rejection off the 50 or the bottom of the cloud here. We're looking for a rip down, a break of high of yesterday. This level is plotted from a point on the chart to the left. I'm looking for a bounce off of this, a retest of the high of day yesterday, and then a failure for the rest of the day. So we'll see how it goes. Again, rejection, good hard rejection off of this. Hopefully we'll see some volume come in, reject, rip through the high of day yesterday. We already had one test, and then a bounce and a retest from the bottom side, and a continued fade for the rest of the day. So we're just gonna pause the video and we'll see how this goes. Maybe we won't have the retest. Maybe we'll test. Maybe we'll put a strong test in again at the high of yesterday, and we'll actually rip the other direction. But volume should be a good indicator of which way we're going. So if we're going down, I'd like to see a strong retest up. If we're going up, I'd like to see a strong retest of this high of yesterday. And let's just let's clean this up for a second, just so we can get a better look. So this is what we're looking at. This is a 5-minute chart. Again, this is the 50. You can see we're putting in some solid consolidation right now. Getting ready to see if we have another expansion for the day, right? So a test up here of the 50 or the bottom of the cloud with volume, and then a reverse down through the high day yesterday, bounce off this point, retest the high day, and then fade the rest of the day. Alternatively, we could have another strong test of this level or this level, and then rip back up. So, volume is really our indicator here to see, if, relative volume, to see if we have strong volume and a test of one of these levels before it starts moving one way or the other. If we don't, then it might fade, it might drift, we'll basically we won't have a trade in it. So just holding tight and waiting. So quick update. So it looks like we kind of stalled. Came up, but we didn't get that major rejection we were looking for. It did pull through the 50. Now it's coming back. Now we could have the rejection here where we come back up, test on the second test of the 50, and accomplish what we were trying before, which is a breakdown, bounce, retest, and fade. So we'll just keep it on watch and see what happens. So we took another attempt at MU and market shifted on us, and we were looking for that breakdown. It broke, I think this is the 50, but we broke the 100. No, that's the 100. Broke the 100, and then the market shifted and started turning back the other direction. So we couldn't hold it. Still up 110. I'm going to keep it on watch here and just keep going. Okay, 10%ers, we'll wrap it up. Market's about to close here. We're up $110 paper trading EMU. Really probably working on entries and exits and strategy more than actually trading. So as you can see, marked off a couple spots here. I'm trying to figure out the reason why, the entries, the exits. What we were looking at, these lines here represent the SPY. Basically shifts, and we started pulling down on the SPY, we started pulling up in the SPY, and coordinating that with how we marked off the chart for entries and exits according to what price action was doing. So yeah, we'll continue on Monday and next week, come up with a plan. We'll institute that plan, and then we'll start live trading again. I hope everybody's doing great. I hope March is starting off well, and have a great weekend.